Hey guys! We are going to do an activity today called formatting and alignment. So if you will, go to your Google Drive. I already have my drive open. I'm going to walk you through this assignment. It's pretty simple. We're just going to explore some different formatting and alignment options in Google Docs. So go ahead and go to your drive, and we are going to select New, and we are going to select a Google Doc. So we want to open a new Google Doc. And it's spinning. Okay, just about there. Is anybody else's internet as slow as mine is? I guess I'm gonna have to call the cable people and figure out what's going on here. All right, okay, I think we're almost up here. Let's go ahead and give your document a title. So go ahead and click on Untitled Document. If you don't do this, it's going to make it really hard to find your document when it comes time to turn it in. So we are going to call this formatting and alignment. And there we go. It's still spinning. Okay. Whew. I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm going to type my answers, but what I want you to do is when you're doing this, I want you to type your own answers. So the very first question, and I'm not going to number these because once we number it, it might mess up our formatting a little bit because Google Docs does want to auto format when you number. So we're not going to mess with numbers. But the first question is your name. So I'm going to put Mrs. Lewis. I'm just going to type it in. And you, of course, will type your name. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's make this, let's highlight, click and hold, and highlight across your name. Let's make it bold. Let's make it size 14. Let's change it to Architect's Daughter font. And then let's make it centered. Okay. Now I'm going to click next to my name and I'm going to hit the enter key, which will bring me to the next line. Next question, where do you live? And this is probably going to be almost the same for all of us. Wilmington, North Carolina. If you live in Carolina Beach, of course you could type that instead. We are going to highlight our answer here. Let's make it left aligned, no bold, with italics. And let's change it to permanent marker. And we'll leave it 14. All right, I'm clicking next to my last answer there, and I'm going to go ahead and click the enter key. It will bring us to the next line. Next question is, what is your favorite food? And mine is French fries, if I can spell. All right, and we're going to highlight French fries. And we are going to click off italics. I don't want it italics. I want it to be underlined. I want it to be, let's do Calibri as our font. And let's say right align for our alignment. Okay. And then we're going to click next to it, and we can leave the size the same. That's fine. And then we are going to hit the enter key, which will bring us to the next line. Name of your school. This will be the same for everyone. Murray Middle School. Okay. Highlight. Let's make it bold and underlined. Let's make the text blue. And let's make the font Arial. And let's center that. Okay. And then we're going to click next to that, and we're going to hit the enter key. Grade level. What is your grade level? This is also going to be the same for all of us. I'm going to type your grade level because I'm not in middle school anymore. So I'm going to type 7th. Highlight. Let's make it none of these, not bold, italic, or underlined. Let's make the text color red. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it 18. And let's left align. And let's make the font, let's see, Homemade Apple. Ooh, it's kind of hard to tell that's a 7 now that we made it in that font. All right, let's hit the enter key. And age, your age. Mine is 30, nope, not 34 anymore, 35. Highlight. Let's make it bold. Let's make the color of our text purple. And the font can be Lobster. Center. Okay. All right, click next to it, hit the enter key. Favorite color. Mine is teal, not trowel. So you type whatever your favorite color is, and I'm going to actually make this my favorite color. It's kind of hard to find a teal in here, isn't it? Let's go that. Okay. Let's make it permanent marker. No, I don't want to do permanent marker. Let's make it rock salt. Let's leave it bold and let's make it italic. Let's right align. Enter key. Favorite class. Of course, it's going to be your computer class, right? Now, I don't know what your favorite class is. Type whatever your favorite class is. We're going to highlight it. Let's make it underlined, just underlined. The font can be Arial. Text color, pink. Font size, 14. And let's center it. Click next to it, hit enter. Favorite holiday. Favorite holiday. Mine is Thanksgiving because I like to eat. Always some good food. Highlight, we're going to change it to, actually, let's change it to a green. Let's keep it underlined. Actually, no, let's not underline it. Let's do bold and italic. Let's do, Merriweather. And let's make it left aligned. Click next to it, hit enter. Last question, favorite day of the week. And mine is Friday. Highlight, quick trick for you. I should have showed you this from the very beginning. I don't know why I didn't think of it. If you double click on the word, it will automatically highlight the entire word for you. Now, if you have 2 words, it will only highlight the one that you're double clicking on. So just FYI. We are going to left align this. We are going to make it a, let's make it a blue. And then, actually, let's turn it back to black. Okay, and we're going to leave it bold. And we're going to change the font size to 18. And we're going to change the font type to Oswald. There we go. That's fancy. All right. This is basically the assignment. This is the end of the assignment. We've got it saved automatically in our drive as formatting and alignment. You are going to go to the formatting and alignment assignment in Canvas, which yours doesn't look like this because I haven't fixed mine yet. But you're going to click, there's going to be a submit assignment button in the top right. And then you're going to click on the Google Drive tab, not Google Drive. It doesn't say Google Drive. Google Doc tab at the bottom. And you are going to choose from the list your formatting and alignment assignment that you've done here. Now, if for whatever reason your drive that you're using is not hooked up to your Canvas, you can just share this with me in my email. I am melissa.lewis2@nhcs. And I'll pop up probably. If I don't, it's melissa.lewis2@nhcs.net. All right, guys, until next time, see ya.